Morning from the Ticket and Transportation Center. We're headed over to Magic Kingdom. It's cold Magic Kingdom Monday. Transportation and Ticket Center. We are getting on the ferry boat and we are headed over to the Magic Kingdom. It's just after 9. They've got some ferry boats waiting for us and a long line. So I think we're gonna have to wait for the next one. It's a cold day here. Cold Magic Kingdom Monday.
I said the monorail looks backed up.
Yes, it does. It's a busy Monday here at TTC. We're herding cattle onto the boat.
Alright, folks, gates of the dock have been closed. Our last guests are crossing over our gangway, and we are preparing to cast off.
We are in a 45-minute wait for Big Thunder Mountain. It is just after opening. This is going to be our first ride of the day, Big Thunder Mountain Railroad.
Maybe our only ride.
It may be our only ride of the day. It's a very busy day here. I don't know what's going on. It's incredibly busy. Splash Mountain is closed. Space Mountain is at what, 50? 70? 50 already. Literally the park just opened.
It's 45.
So, we'll see how many rides we can get in today. We do have golf at like 3 o'clock, so we have to book it out of here around 2:30. It's not going to be a long day. We're not going to get any park hopping in today. But we're here at Magic Kingdom on a Monday. We're going to enjoy ourselves. Here it comes. The wait time was actually pretty accurate. I mean, within 10 minutes. And we're about to get on the wildest ride in the wilderness. Let's remove them.
You can't. If any of you folks are wearing hats or glasses, best remove them, because this here's the wildest ride in the wilderness.
Here we go. Wildest ride in the wilderness?
Wildest ride in the wilderness. Wildest ride in the wilderness. Okay, put my hat back on my hip.
You best removed them.
Put them back on.
For us, the best way to start our Magic Kingdom day is with a ride on Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. But now it's time to head into Tomorrowland and cruise the Speedway. We're on our way. Oh, it's vibrating on my back. Woo! Where would you like to go? Somewhere where there's no weight. Away from all the crowd.
Oh, ow. Can you keep it in the middle, please?
I'm trying.
You're not a very good driver. Ow. Wow, you are not a good driver.
I don't know what to do.
Drive.
I am.
Well, if it's drifting left, you need to pull back right.
am. You're gonna ram.
Oh my gosh, you are an awful driver.
It's this car.
Give me this thing.
Okay, you do better. You're a much better driver.
No kidding. Because there's a lot of slop in the pinion, but you gotta compensate for it. You basically have to turn the wheel like one full rotation to get it to go where you need it to go. Oh.
Right. It's a windy day here on the Speedway. In our
Put her in
convertible.
overdrive.
I can't keep it on the road.
I can see that.
Wow, look at the weight for Barnstormer. Holy cow. Oh my goodness. Okay, don't ram. Don't ram. Stop. Make it. You're gonna get us in trouble.
Can't help it or not.
We love a good 3D movie, and PhilharMagic is a classic.
All right, put on your opera glasses because it's time to present Maestro Mickey Mouse and the PhilharMagic Orchestra.
Donald, wake up! It's showtime! Don't forget the orchestra! And don't top my hat!
We're gonna take a ride on the People Mover, cruise around Tomorrowland and see some sights. Woo! Here we go! Look at all those chickens.
Want to be sure to enjoy today while visiting this land of tomorrow.
They're working hard today on Tron. They've almost got the whole walkway done here. That'll take us up into the ride. Show building. Space Mountain!
Join me on this daring space mission. I can see you'll have our server.
As an honorary space ranger, you'll use your own personal laser cannon to save the entire galaxy.
Zerg the blurg.
popular thereafter at Monsters Incorporated, so drop in and join Mike Wazowski and all his pals at Monsters Incorporated platform. Share the fun.
Yeah, very good. Keep it moving. We're on a tight schedule here.
As we approach the Tomorrowland Transit Authority station, our Grand Circle tour is coming to an end, but not to a stop, because this transportation system never stops. Thank you for joining us on the Tomorrowland Transit Authority People Mover. It's been a pleasure to have you aboard. Enjoy the rest of your day and have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow.
We had a really fun morning in the Magic Kingdom, and as we were heading out, we even got to see Pooh, Tigger, and all of their friends riding the Main Street trolley. That's it for Magic Kingdom. We're now back at the TTC, headed to our car. So somehow we ended up with preferred parking. We did not pay for preferred parking, but when we were coming in, the traffic director, directed us to the preferred parking. And we're here. We're in row 203, and I must say, preferred parking is very nice, but it is not worth $50 a day. Sorry.
It definitely appears to be some kind of unspoken rule with the four-ways in preferred parking.
Yeah. Everyone, when we were directed to preferred parking, everyone had their four-ways on, but we didn't because we weren't supposed to be in preferred parking.
And there's still people coming in here that have their four-ways on.
I think when you do preferred, they tell you to put your four-ways on, but either way, it was a very nice treat, a little magic, you know, but we wouldn't pay for it. It was nice for us. It's still, with preferred parking, it still took us an hour to get into the Magic Kingdom once we parked. So that's crazy. But
I don't think it took that long to get out.
It did not take that long to get out. We caught the monorail, we just hitched right out, what, 20 minutes?
Yeah, maybe 30 at most.
Yeah, so preferred parking was nice. It was a nice treat, especially since we didn't pay for it. We just paid for standard parking, so that was a nice upgrade. But I don't know.
Four-ways on going out of here? Should we let the rest of the group?
Yes, put your four-ways on to leave here. No, I'm kidding. Don't do that. You're going to confuse them. Jared will be providing the entertainment this morning. You best remove them. This? Not this.
Oh, that's the tram car.